Political war of words over Rahul Gandhi's US trip refuses to die down. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi responded to the constant criticism over Sikh remarks in the United States. He lashed out at the BJP and claimed that they are trying to spread lies and desperately want to silence him. He asked the Sikh community across India and across the globe if he spoke anything wrong against them, and clarified that all that he wants is every religion to freely be practiced in the country without any fear. The BJP once again sniped at Rahul Gandhi and launched a barrage of attacks at him. BJP claims that Rahul abused India and insulted the Sikh community on foreign land. They are even alleging that Rahul is using Sikhs to score political brownie points. Meanwhile, a Sikh delegation met Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityanand Rai to express their deep concerns and also issue a strong protest against the recent remarks made by Rahul Gandhi about the Sikh community during his visit to the United States.
The fight is about whether he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear his turban in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear a kada in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be able to go to Gurdwara. That's what the fight is about. And not just for him. For all religions.
मैं राहुल गांधी जी को बताना चाहता हूं, देश में एक ही वक्त ऐसा समय आया था, इंदिरा गांधी के समय में समय आया था जब गुरुद्वारा काबगंज साहब को ताले लगाए गए थे। इस भारतवर्ष के अंदर अगर ऐसे काले दिन कभी सिखों को देखने पड़े तो केवल और केवल गांधी परिवार के राज के दौरान, कांग्रेस के राज के दौरान देखने पड़े। राहुल गांधी को झूठ बोलना बंद करना चाहिए। हमारे खिलाफ ये नफरत की जो उन्होंने पटारा खोल रखा है अपनी गंदी राजनीति के लिए, जो हमें इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, हमारी दस्तार और हमारे केश गुरुद्वारों को इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, इसको तुरंत राहुल गांधी जी आपको बंद करना चाहिए और सिख कौम से माफी मांगनी चाहिए।